All right, welcome back. So you know how this works by now, I hope. This is an assessment level, and so I'm not going to do it for you. I will read the directions. I will give you some tips maybe. We'll go look at the rubric and make sure you know what you're trying to accomplish. And then I'm going to let you tackle this, and because what good would an assessment be if I gave you the answers? All right, so it says debug using 4 parameters. Now that the grass is working, let's add a cloud to the sky. Unfortunately, it looks a little funny right now. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. Do this. Debug the program to make the cloud wider than it is tall, like in the image. Hint, you'll need to change 2 parameters. Which ones set your cloud's width and height? All right, so here's my first tip for you. You are not going to need the toolbox. Um, everything you need is already here. You just have to figure out the parameters to make this look like this. All right, so let's go look at the rubric. So the rubric, we're going to start with the worst part. So no evidence. No changes have been made to the code, or the changes are unrelated to the instructions. So boo, we don't want that. All right, limited evidence. The cloud's height, width, or position has been changed, but it may not be wider than it is tall, or it may be moved to somewhere else on the screen. All right. Convincing evidence. The programmatic drawing is approximately the same as that in the picture, and the cloud's width and height have been changed. Nice. And then here's what you're aiming for. This is what gets you the 100. The programmatic drawing appears exactly as it does in the example. So if you have this exact image, you get your 100. All right. So don't forget that you have the grid option right here if you need it. And again, close the toolbox. You don't need to add anything. Everything you need is already here. So with that, I will let you work, and I will see you on level 9. Good luck.